The treasure beneath the old Baobab tree. In the peaceful village of Ajat, there lived a kind boy named Divine with his parents and younger sister, Destiny. One day, while playing near an old Baobab tree, Divine noticed something shiny beneath the roots. He dug carefully and discovered a small wooden box filled with gold coins and beautiful jewels. Divine was excited, but instead of keeping the treasure, he ran home and told his family. His father smiled proudly. "You made the right choice. Treasure can make us rich, but honesty makes us worthy." The family took the box to the village chief. After asking around, they discovered that it belonged to an old family who had lost it many years earlier. The grateful family rewarded Divine with a small portion of the treasure. Divine used his reward to help his parents repair their house and buy school supplies for Destiny. That evening, the family sat happily beneath the Baobab tree. Divine realized that helping his family and telling the truth had brought him more happiness than all the gold in the box. Moral: the greatest treasure is honesty and family.